In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make WhatsApp web blur in just 5 minutes. This little trick can enhance your privacy while you're using WhatsApp web in public spaces or shared environments. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your most trusted search engine, Google. This step is pretty straightforward. Just open your preferred web browser and type google.com into the address bar. Once you're on Google's homepage, you're ready for the next step. Here you'll search for a very specific tool that we're going to use. Type in WOWeb Plus for WhatsApp into the Google search bar. This search is crucial because it will direct you to the tool we need that will enable the blur effect on WhatsApp web. Once you've entered that search, you'll see a list of results. You want to click on the link titled WOWeb Plus for WhatsApp. This will lead you directly to the tool that we're interested in today. It's vital to click on the correct link to ensure you're getting the right tool for the job. After clicking on the link, you'll be directed to the Chrome Web Store. Here you'll see the WOWeb Plus extension by Elbrus Technologies. This extension is essentially the key to unlocking the blur effect on your WhatsApp web. It's designed to enhance your WhatsApp web experience with a variety of features, including the blur effect we're aiming for today. The next step involves adding this extension to your Chrome browser. Look for a button that says Add to Brave, or a similar option depending on your browser. This button is your gateway to installing the WOWeb Plus extension. Clicking it will begin the process of integrating the extension into your browser, thereby enhancing your WhatsApp web experience. Finally, after clicking Add to Brave, you will see a prompt to confirm the addition of the extension. Here you'll need to click on Add Extension. This last step is crucial as it finalizes the installation process, allowing the WOWeb Plus extension to work its magic on your browser. Now, with the WOWeb Plus extension successfully added to your browser, you can head over to WhatsApp Web. You'll notice a new icon added to your browser's toolbar. This indicates that the WOWeb Plus extension is active and ready to use. Within its menu, you'll find the option to apply the blur effect, along with many others designed to enhance your privacy and user experience on WhatsApp web. Applying the blur effect can be incredibly useful if you're in a public space and want to keep your messages private from prying eyes. Rather than constantly minimizing your browser window or trying to shield your screen, the blur effect provides a seamless way to maintain your privacy while still being able to use WhatsApp web. In conclusion, with just a few simple clicks and within 5 minutes, you can enhance your privacy on WhatsApp web. This tool is not just about applying a blur effect. It's about ensuring that your private conversations stay private no matter where you are. Remember, while the web is a place of endless possibilities, it's essential to use tools and extensions responsibly. Always ensure any extension or software you install is from a trusted source to keep your digital space secure. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more practical and easy to follow tech guides to make your digital life secure and more efficient.